Good morning, everybody. What's up, Jose? How is everybody doing? New day. We've got PPI news being released today, guys, and FOMC meeting today. Actually a really important day. For those of you who don't know, it's FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. We got PPI news getting released at 8:30, and I believe unemployment claims are also being released today. Now, in reality, actually unemployment is at 9. Oh no, that's for the Aussie. Why did I think it was US? Well, either way, we've got FOMC at 2 p.m., which is this is the most important news of the day. I think every nation will be waiting for this. And PPI, let's see if it has some impact. I'm low key liking gold sells now. I think I want to execute the gold sells. If I'm gonna get in gold sells, let's see, it'd be right around here. Let's keep a short tight stop loss. Is it too tight? 25 pip stop loss, and it's a nice 1 to 3 trade as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna execute on this trade, guys. I've been looking at this trade since before I got in here. Let me give me some time to call it for the Discord, and I'll explain it right now. Now, as I had been mentioning, the reason I also want to get in this news now is just to anticipate the news as well. I like this trade because it's respecting the trend line. As you guys can see over here, we tested the trend line, respected it. Now we're trading above it. We also respected this 4-hour level of support that also correlates with the daily level of support, as you guys can see. So just alone there, my area of support is valid on both time frames, which is one confluence for me. Also on the 2-hour time frame, and yeah, I really like this trade. All right, let me call it out real quick. XAUUSD entry, and I possibly will be swinging this trade till FOMC meeting as well, guys. 19. You guys don't have to get in it with me. Keep in mind there is news happening in 15 minutes. So if you are gonna get in this trade, make sure you are leveraging correctly. You're not over leveraging this trade, and make sure you are staying on top of the trade as well. 1948 point. Let's get in at 500. Actually, 400. Stop loss will be 1945. 1945. That's about too much though. 1945.5. 0.5. $19.45, and my entry is 1948.4. It's almost 30 pips though. I want 25 pips right there. 1945. I just called it for the Discord. 1948 400. TP1 will be the 1-to-1, of course. Actually, 1952 300. 1952 300. TP2 will be 1950. I like TP2 up here. 1956, 300. And all right. All right, now that I got that taken care of, let's adjust this so it can be exactly how entry price 1948 300. Stop loss will be 1945 500. All right, now our trade, this is how our trade exactly looks like, with our TP1 being right here. So it's above a 1-to-1 now. So I have it's respecting my trend line. It respected support. I believe the entry, if getting in here would have been nice, but obviously we got in late. But we have some nice retracement here, and I'm also anticipating the news. Also, now a big reason why FOMC meeting is very important, guys. Today the Feds will be voting on whether the US will pause rate hikes, or if they will continue the course and continue to raise the rate. The rate is currently at 5.25, so if they were to raise it, they're going to raise it a quarter basis point to 5.5, which, it's what they've been doing for the past months, past years. So it's not unusual, but the reason why it is nice to see the Feds actually wanting to put an end to this continuous rate hike is because the rate has only been going up. Inflation has only been going up as well. So when the question is, when do you put a stop to this? When does the Fed say, okay, enough is enough? And by putting a pause on the rate hike, it shows that they're actually wanting to put an end to it and change and make a plan to fight inflation. Now, I believe there's a 90, last time I checked, there's a 90% chance. There's a 90% chance that the Feds will put let's see, Fed rate hike probability. Fed watch tool, where is it? Right here. Fed rate monitor tool. So there's a 93, it just went up. There's a 93% chance that the Feds are going to put a pause to this and not increase the rates. It's 93% chance. Okay? And there is a 6.9%, almost a 7% chance that they're going to stay the course and continue to raise the hike. Now that's very important, guys. This is very, very, very important. Only, I guess we'll just have to wait until what's up, Ruben? How are you, brother? What up, Armando? Very important. So we'll just have to be patient and wait till 2 p.m. to see what they want to do. I'm someone who trades gold. I'm bullish on gold, so I would want to see the Fed continue the course. But as a citizen of this country, of the United States, it's kind of concerning if they do continue to stay on course and continue to raise the height. Because the question is, when is enough? When is enough? But we've just been raising hikes, and it can't keep happening anymore. And for gold, what would that mean? There's a good possibility. Oops, let me disconnect from here. There's a good possibility that if they do stay the course, gold should continue to go up. If they stay the, if they pause it, there's a good chance we may see break of structure on the higher time frames, and we could possibly test 1940 area again, or possibly even lower than that, which would be a good entry on gold long term for swings. But let's stay bullish and let's see what happens. 5 minutes so PPI gets released as well, guys. 5 minutes. We go here, YouTube. So we're currently in drawdown 2 pips. Pull up, beautiful. Pull up, pull up. Back at break even, so there's not a lot of volume at the moment, guys. Let's just wait. We just gotta wait for now for volume to kick in. Let's close this in a bit. We should see volume kick in soon. So yeah, guys, this is why today's a very big day. Probably one of the biggest days. Not probably. It is the biggest day that June will see. Probably one of the biggest days that in this year actually as well. So definitely something to look forward to. And it happens in 5 hours, guys. And we also are near all-time highs with the rate too. So let's see what they say. Let's see. Maybe they pause it this, and it's not the first time they've paused it, by the way, guys. Let's take a look at our pairs. Let's see how they're performing. So the US dollar isn't so bullish today. Yesterday it was performing pretty good. Yesterday we had CPI data get released. I think a lot of investors were bullish based off the data that was being released, and they were also being bullish prior to that news. Yesterday we saw the dollar outperform other pairs as well, but today it's not doing so well. As you can see, gold is pretty bullish, Bitcoin pretty bullish. We've got the USD CAD bearish, obviously the base pair not doing so well. Euro outperforming the dollar. GBP outperforming the dollar. JPY outperforming the dollar. So as you can see, all our base pairs against the dollar are outperforming, and then the US dollar as the base pair not doing so well. So that's good news for us. And we're about 5-6 pips in profit. Oh, what is this? Almost hit our stop loss. So our 1-to-1 hit, guys. Our 1-to-1 hit. Let me see. That almost hit our stop loss. I guess that's the news, guys. News just got released. News just got released, guys. News is pending. So TP1 was 19. Yeah, 1-to-1 hit. There we go. TP1 smash, guys. Almost got stopped out there. Jesus. TP1 hit. That was almost, what a nice stop loss. Wow. That was crazy. Literally 3 to 4 pips away from being stopped out on that trade. That was just insane. Whew. News caught me. Let's check out the news. Okay, so it was forecasted a negative 0.1%. Gold just keeps battling at 1950. 1950 is a key psychological area for gold, by the way. So keep that in mind, guys. So here we have a data. Where is May? Negative 0.3 on final demand, less goods and energy, food. Okay, so it actually decreased compared to last month, as you guys could see. Last month was at 0.2 and now we're negative 0.3. To be honest with you, I don't think they'll be pausing the rate hike today. I don't think they will. And guys, for you guys who don't know what PPI is and why it's important, I'm a technical trader, right? But I also understand the fundamentals, and I like to pay attention to the fundamentals. PPI is pretty important, guys. You know, it's used for price changes, and it also helps. It's used to survey price changes, and it also helps to determine where inflation is. So, for example, if the dollar, if the, the GDP, which is the gross domestic product data, that's what's used to estimate like whether we're going up with inflation or going down in deflation. So PPI measures the movement of particular industries and products in the US. So that's why PPI is very important. As you guys can see here, it's also a leading indicator for inflation. So when producers charge more for goods and services, the higher the costs are usually passed on to the consumer. Meaning, if prices for goods and services go up for producers, then obviously they're gonna have to charge more to consumers. And if they're charging more for consumers, that's probably a green indication that inflation is going up. When producers are being charged less for goods and services, then it typically means lower cost, and that typically means consumers pay less for these goods and services. So PPI ultimately is very important. Um, we're at negative 0.3%, and we were forecasted at negative 0.1%. Hence why gold reacted bullishly to the news as well. Nice. Just checking my positions, guys. Okay, we should see. Now we're on the way to TP2. I'm still in this trade, guys. I have not gotten stopped out. Um, Now we're going for a 1 to 3, which is our TP2. Checking the positions, making sure they're doing well. So far, we're looking good. Okay, TP2 is about to get hit. We'll put TP3 at TP3 will be right here. 1959.500. $19.59.300. So far, we're going for that TP2 right now, guys. So far, our accounts looking good. Trades are looking good. And guys, I will be most likely holding this trade till FOMC meeting, to be honest with you. Either way, by the way, guys, for those that are in this trade, the your 2 to 1 hit. So I will be holding though. Nice. We are also, I just noticed that we're in a little 4 trade win streak. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Little 4 trade win streak. At this point, this is a free trade, guys. If you guys want to continue to hold, secure profits, I will be holding. Is anybody in any? What's up, Luis? How you doing, brother? What did let me read. Hold on, brother. I can't really read the comment. Armando, I got stopped out at break even at least. How'd you get stopped out at break even, bro? How do you choose where to put the stop loss? Or you just put a 20 pip stop loss? Well, it wasn't a 20 pip stop loss. It's 25 pip stop loss, brother. I manage my trade like myself. I like snipped it, but that's 24.59. So 25 would be, I put it here. I literally put it here. 2019 my stop. I'm looking at my Discord as we speak on my other monitor. Stop loss is 1945. 1945 500 is my stop loss. Bro, my stop loss did not get hit. How the hell did your stop loss get hit? If you put 1945 .500 a stop loss, there's no way your stop loss got hit. Here on TradingView it shows that it did not get hit, and on my Discord it shows that I called out 1945.500 stop loss. Yo, by the way, I like your name, Armando Dinero. Building money is what it could translate to, guys, if you guys don't know Spanish. But yeah, Armando, there was no way you should have had a 20 pip stop loss. If TP2 just hit, guys, TP2 hit. Now we're going for TP3. So 1, 2, 3 hit, TP2. TP3 1969. What am I doing? 1959. Silly me. Good thing I caught that before they called me out on it. 1959, 300, 1959, 300. $19.59, 300. Boom. Okay, we're about to see that TP3. TP3 is about to get hit. TP4 will be, TP3 just hit. TP3. Now we're going, let's see where TP4 could be. TP4 will be 1962 300. TP3, TP4 1962.300. Guys, if you guys want to secure your profits, you guys can secure your profits. This is, if you close here, you're at a 1 to 3 trade. Anybody holding this trade still? Nice. Let's fucking. I wonder who's in this trade. Oh, Armando, bro, I kind of feel bad for you, bro. I don't know how you got stopped out, bro. I'm reading. I keep rereading your comment. Um, so, bro, like I said, I manage my trade literally as I'm on it. I'm here live with you guys. Um, I tell myself 25 pip stop loss, and that's what it is. 25 pip stop loss. And actually, I think I put. Let me see something, guys, real quick, because I think I put a 28 pip stop loss. Are you part of my Discord, Armando? Because if you're part of my Discord, regardless, you should just have everything set here. 1948 300. 1948, 300. Stop loss is 1945, 500. Let me see something. 300 would be, put this at 800. 25 pips. Yeah. 25 pip stop loss. It literally like almost, it literally scraped it. It didn't even touch it. 25. This is 25 pip stop loss. It didn't even touch it. It was literally, I think, what, 1 pip away. It was 5 pips away from stop loss. Good morning. What up, Kay? What up, Kay? How are you, brother? We're here on a TP3 trade. What's it at now? I wonder where it is. It's near our TP2 actually. But we saw TP3. We're actually going. I'm going for TP4. I'm holding this trade until FOMC meeting, guys. Either way. Network settings. What the? I hope I didn't just. I hope I didn't lose you guys. Are you guys still there? Can you guys? No Discord. No Discord. What do you mean no Discord? Like you don't follow me on Discord? My son was sick for a couple of days, but I'm good. Thanks. I hope he's well, brother. I hope he recovers well, and I hope you stay well as well, my friend. Well, Armando, bro, I'm sorry, bro, but on the Discord, it called 25 pips. If you would have put the exact entry and stop loss as my Discord, you would have been fine. And if you would have put the exact entry and stop loss as my live stream here on the YouTube, you would have been fine too. I don't know what happened, bro, to be honest with you. But I also don't like putting. I for example don't like yeah, the Discord's right there in the description. Definitely join, bro. As you'll see, we're on a 4 trade win streak. I always you'll be able to join the Zooms as well. But I like to monitor my trades myself. I don't really like putting the stop loss, cause like right now markets are volatile and stuff like that. But like it'll just go near your stop loss, and then spreads with the prop firm or broker will take you out, and then it ends up going to your TP. So if I'm here managing my trade, if I'm literally looking at it, I don't put stop loss. I know what my stop loss is, and I'm mentally strong enough to be able to like tell myself, okay, 25 pip stop loss, we're getting out. Thank you, Ruben. Appreciate it, brother. You guys, I don't know why. I have a feeling my computer froze. Can you guys comment if you guys are still there? Put it like number one in the chat. Oh wait, price is moving. Cause like price wasn't moving. My YouTube on my screen wasn't. YouTube wasn't moving. It said something about internet being lost. I don't know. Let's take a look at the higher time frames, guys. Higher time frames. If we can get a nice candle closure above this area, we should be good. Um, before. Alright guys, now that I hit my take profits, I'm going to go get my cup of tea. I'll be right back guys. Give me like 2 minutes guys. Damn, it's pretty hard coming with like 3 cups. Let's see guys, we are near our TP3. Let's hope that this trade can go past. To be honest with you, I really want this trade to hit 1975. That's what I really want out of this trade. Will I get it? I don't know. Where would I start to secure profits? Near 1965 area. 1962, 1965, I'll most likely start securing profits. What up, Christian? I went to go get my cups of waters, and then I went to go get my cup of tea as well. That's a must. I quit coffee, so tea is where it's at. What up, Sir Marlin? How are you doing today? Today's a great day to be better, sir. Thank you, Kai. Thank you, Kai. Let me see. One fire trade today. 2, how's Sway Market thinking of opening a small account with? Sway Market is actually pretty good. To To be honest with you, I haven't had any issues with them. The only thing that I did find weird yesterday that I was looking at it, I think there's like a 10 pip spread, which is insane. But for example, let's take a look now. Right now, it's saying gold is at 1956.32, and on our trading view, it's at 1956 780. Yeah, it's only like a one. It's not even a pip. It's exact. It's pretty exact right now. 1957.975, and then here 956.975. So it's a little. It's yeah. It's pretty good, bro. No issues. You get instant execution off the market execution. You're no issues with like no lagginess, none of that. When it's volatile, you don't have to worry about your broker like taking you out. So pretty good. I haven't had any issues with them. It's worth it so far. Um, but then again, I put in a small account. I put deposited $188. I had $188 in crypto, and I was gonna gamble it. And I was like, you know what? Instead of gambling this, I'd rather just actually trade it and try to like grow it. Cause the thing about gambling, guys, I'll fucking probably like lose it all with like one or five hands, Versus trading, I actually take it serious because I treat it like a business. Facts, Ruben. One fire trade today, one fire trade yesterday. Dude, we're on a 4 trade win streak, guys. It's not unusual. I'm just kidding, guys. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I love it when I'm in my little win streaks. It makes me feel good. And regardless, when I'm in a losing streak, I don't let it get to me as well. I just don't think about it. I just think about the next trade and how I actually try to find more high probability trades when I'm in a losing streak. But this was a nice trade. I really liked it. Is anybody in this trade or anybody in a trade at all? Comment down in the comment section if you guys are in a trade, guys. I'll be in a loop. She be in a group. She'll be with a friend. Tell her to proof. Tell her so. How can I lose, man? We're lose. Get done. We're just waiting, guys. Let's take a look at the dollar. Actually, we haven't. I had a little brain fart. Trading view. I was trying to think of where I find it. This is look at that, the DXY. Woo! So we have here a minor level of support, and I don't think it's minor if it's going past. I don't think this is a minor level of support, guys. Tuesday, January 2023. This is actually a 4-hour level of support that we broke out of. So this is good news. This is good news. Look at that. If we get a nice candle closure below this, we could expect some continuation to the downside and reach 102,500. Now, this could be because of PPI, but if we also take a look on the 4-hour time frame, we've only been creating, where we've been downtrending, you know, we've been only creating lower lows and lower highs. We have our swing high up here, and we have our swing low up down here. So as you guys can see, we've only been creating higher high, you know, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, all the way down here. So this is pretty good. We haven't broken structure to the upside. We broke out of an area of support on a high time frame. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, we have a good amount of reaction at this level as well. So let's see. If we get a nice candle closure around this area, I will feel very confident about my trade reaching 1975. And also, if you take a look at the weekly time frames, we have back-to-back bearish candles. We have three gravestone soldiers, which is just a candlestick pattern, the name for 3 back-to-back bearish candles. And then we've also been creating lower highs and lower lows on the weekly time frame. We keep failing to break or to even near previous weekly highs. So this is good news. I like seeing this. I like seeing this. Now where it gets concerning, guys, is if we break out of this area right here, 101,500. We break out of that, throw your dollars away. Like literally go to the bank, tell them you want Chinese currency. Just messing with you guys. But yeah, it will be concerning if we near that. So what's Nasdaq doing? Let's take a look at Nasdaq. We haven't checked Nasdaq. We probably won't trade Nasdaq today. Not worth it. We're already in a trade on gold. We caught TP3. You know, why trade something else? Nasdaq, we could actually though see a break of this trend line. If we break out of that trend line, I want to see it trade. If we break out of that trend line, I want to see it trade below it, and then I'll possibly execute at the breakout. Wouldn't be a bad trade, but I want to see it trade below, and I want to see it first break out of this trend line. Then I want to see it trade below this area of minor level of resistance, and then at the breakout of this area of support, we can execute a trade, which would be the breakout of this range as well. That'd be a nice trade that we could execute, and we could possibly capitalize about 80 pips. Now, the big movement, I think the nicer trade will be here, where we see break of structure, where we could capitalize off 150 pips instead. But if we do manage to get in here, let's see, it would be like it would be a nice trade too. Don't get me wrong. Our risk to reward is there. 30 pip stop loss with 80 pip take profit. The 1 to 2 is there, almost a 1 to 3 trade. And if we break out of this area of support, we could even see this turn to be a 1 to 7 trade. But first, we need to see the breakout of the trend line. Um, I think we have New York stock market opening up in 19 minutes, guys. 19 minutes. So on the 4 hour, nice. We opened up bearish, created a nice bottom wick, and if we flip, we could possibly wick fill this previous wick. Guys, and if, well, let's see, this was, if you got out at the top, this is a 120 pip trade, 25 pip take stop loss, and 120 pips capitalize off of. And we're currently at 80 pip, 25 pip stop loss, 80 pip take profit. Not bad. Risk to reward is there, guys. Hopefully you guys caught this trade, or at least some of you guys. I know my people from the Discord caught it for sure. Okay, we just flipped, people. And we flipped again, and we flipped again. It's battle of the candles. Bears versus bulls versus bears. Who will win? I wanna rock right now. I wanna rock right now. What else we got today? Guys, come put a 1 in the chat if you guys would like to see if you guys would like to see me go live when with the FOMC statement. It's in about 4 hours. 4 hours or 5 hours? 4 hours. If you guys want me to go live and while the feds release the funds rate, or if they pause it. How are we looking, guys? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing, people? All right, guys. I'm gonna end it here, guys. We caught a nice TP3 trade with you guys. We caught the news. I'm gonna start my day. Hope you guys have a good stream, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy your day and have a great rest of your day, guys. I'll see you guys later if I go live. I didn't get any interaction with you guys on whether you guys wanted me to go live, so I don't know if I'll be going live. But definitely for the Discord, most likely I'll be sending you guys something. All right, guys. Peace out. Peace out, Kay. Thank you for pulling up, brother.